Hello, young scientists. My name is Scientist Max. I am happy to learn with you today. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today, we are going to learn about the parts of a computer, the different pieces that work together to make a computer function. A computer may look like a single device, but it has many important parts. Each part has a special job. First, the monitor. The monitor is the screen of the computer. It shows you pictures, text, and videos. It is the computer's way of talking to you visually. Next, the keyboard. The keyboard is where you type letters, numbers, and commands. It is one way to give input to the computer. Then the mouse. The mouse helps you point, click, and move things on the screen. It is another way to give input. Inside the computer, there is the CPU, or Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It processes all the instructions and decides what to do. The computer also has memory. There is RAM, which is temporary memory the computer uses while it works. There is also storage like a hard drive or SSD, which keeps your files and programs safe even when the computer is off. Other parts include the speakers, which let the computer make sound, and ports, where you can connect devices like headphones, printers, or USB drives. All these parts work together. Input from the keyboard or mouse goes to the CPU, which processes it, and output appears on the monitor or speakers. Even though each part has a different job, the computer only works when all the parts work together. Next time you use a computer, try to identify its monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, and other parts. You are learning to understand the machine inside and out. Awesome learning, everyone. We just learned something amazing. Now let's sing our lesson song to help us remember. Get ready and sing along together.
Hey kids, let's go! Screen on top, keyboard low, mouse on the side, click, click, go! Big box brain, that's the case, wires in back, all in place. Parts of a computer, hey, say them nice and loud. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, make your teacher proud. System unit speakers, shout it one by one. Parts of a computer, learning can be fun. So fun! Monitor shows all you see. Keyboard types ABC. Mouse helps move where to click. Speakers play songs so quick. Parts of a computer, hey, now we know them all. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, answer when I call. System unit speakers, shout it till we're done. Parts of a computer, learning can be fun.
Great dancing, everyone. Now, let's recap what we have learned today before the quiz. Today, we learned about the parts of a computer. Monitor shows pictures, text, and videos. Keyboard lets you type input. Mouse helps you point and click. CPU, the brain that processes instructions. Memory, RAM for temporary use. Storage for saving files. Speakers and ports let you hear sound and connect devices. All parts work together to make the computer function. Now it's time for a fun challenge. Let's see how much you remember about what we learned today. Get ready to think, get ready to choose, and let's start the quiz.
It's quiz time, shout hooray. Let's see what you learned today. Science fun from me to you. Let's see what you can do.
Question 1. Which part of the computer is called the brain? CPU, Central Processing Unit. Question 2. What does the monitor do? Shows pictures, text, and videos. Question 3. Name one way to give input to a computer. Keyboard or mouse. Great job today, scientists. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know what topic you would like to learn next. And remember, keep asking questions and keep exploring. I'll see you in the next lesson.